Namibia. I have taken the bold and final decision to assume full control of the Ministry of Mines and Energy, effective immediately. From this moment onward, the resources beneath our feet, our diamonds, our uranium, our oil, our lithium, our copper, will no longer be treated as personal property by politicians or playgrounds for foreign companies. They belong to the people of Namibia and no one else. And as of today, I am announcing that the Deputy Prime Minister, Natangwe Itete, who also served as Minister of Energy and Mines, is hereby dismissed from his position, effective immediately.
Ladies and gentlemen, it's your boy Club Shunta. Today, I just want to talk about a woman, a strong woman who can lead her country very well. Just imagine the whole Africa if the all leaders can manage to act in this way. A president of Namibia, which is a woman, a strong woman, she managed to sack a minister of energy and mines immediately, without any discussion, without dialogue, while in other countries, they don't act like that. Just imagine if the former president of Malawi, Lazarus Makathi Chakwera, could have acted in that manner with those ministers who have been coming and lies, telling things that they are not on the ground. For example, a minister of transport, he did lie to us that he have managed to complete the contract for railway in Lower Shire, while it's not. And there is also other issues. Minister of Land, Taran also, he did lie to us. But just imagine a woman from Namibia, a president, and she come immediately on a media and tell the minister, from today on, you are no longer a minister and you must be ready to answer all the questions about the money that you have been receiving from outside of this country, with foreigners that they are coming here and take our mines just like that, and you are the one that who is getting a benefit from that. So from today on, you must be ready to answer charge of any handshake that you have been receiving from foreigners, no matter if it's a white guy or not, but you must answer it. Just take a look and listen very carefully to this woman while she's talking.
My fellow Namibians, and to the great sons and daughters of Africa who are listening today, I speak to you not as a mere politician, but as a servant of our people, as a daughter of this soil, and as a leader who refuses to watch her country's destiny be stolen by greed, corruption, and foreign manipulation. Today, I stand before you with a message that will mark a new era for our beloved Namibia. I have taken the bold and final decision to assume full control of the Ministry of Mines and Energy, effective immediately. From this moment onward, the resources beneath our feet, our diamonds, our uranium, our oil, our lithium, our copper, will no longer be treated as personal property by politicians or playgrounds for foreign companies. They belong to the people of Namibia and no one else. And as of today, I am announcing that the Deputy Prime Minister, Natangwe Itete, who also served as Minister of Energy and Mines, is hereby dismissed from his position, effective immediately. He has betrayed the trust of the Namibian people. He has placed personal greed above national duty. He has engaged in corrupt dealings that have undermined the sovereignty of our country and the dignity of our citizens. I will not stand for it. not under my watch. Ms. Ithete, you will face a full and transparent inquiry. You will answer before the Namibian people. You will answer for every dollar, every contract, every foreign handshake that sought to sell our resources to outsiders for your own benefit. We are cleaning our house, and no one is above the law. Let me make this absolutely clear to every minister, every governor, every senior official sitting comfortably in their offices. If you are not working for the Namibian people, you will be gone. If you think you can use your position to enrich yourself, to take bribes, to sign deals behind closed doors with foreign interests, then let me remind you your time is over. I was not elected to serve foreign corporations. I was not chosen by my people to be a puppet for the West or for anyone else. I was elected to serve Namibia, and I will do exactly that. For far too long, Africa has been a continent of wealth, but a continent of poor people. A land blessed with treasures beyond imagination, yet burdened with poverty that should never have existed. From the sands of the Sahara to the rivers of the Zambezi, our soil hides riches that could transform the world, and yet the children of the soil go to bed hungry. How can it be that a continent so rich in gold, diamonds, oil, copper, uranium, and fertile land still has millions living in poverty? How can it be that the very nations that extract our resources live in abundance, while we are left with the dust of our own inheritance? For far too long, we have watched foreign countries grow rich from our diamonds, our gold, our oil, our uranium, our rare earth minerals, while our children sit in darkness, while our farmers struggle to feed their families, while our youth migrate because there are no opportunities at home. This is not destiny, this is design. It is a system built to keep Africa poor and dependent, while others feast on our labor, our resources, and our silence. And they come to us with contracts written in fine print, with promises of development, investment, and aid. But behind those promises lie exploitation and deceit. They tell us they will help us build, yet they leave us with debt. They promise to transfer knowledge, yet they take our raw materials and give us finished products at 10 times the cost. They talk of partnership, but in truth they want ownership. Ownership of our mines, our ports, our energy, our very sovereignty. And we, for too long, have allowed it. We signed deals that made us servants in our own homes. We celebrated foreign investments that built nothing but dependence. We allowed leaders who bowed before foreign interests to sign away our future. But that era, that shameful era, must end. It must end because our people are waking up. It must end because we can no longer justify poverty in the midst of such abundance. It must end because every time a Namibian child studies by candlelight, while our uranium powers foreign cities, it is an insult to our dignity. Every time our youth beg for jobs.
Can you hear that? Can you hear that? So now tell me, your president can manage to talk in that manner if he, she sees something wrong in a government. Tell me, who do you think can do that? Don't tell me about that guy from Burkina Faso, Traore. Don't tell me about that guy from Mali. Apart from those guys, who else can manage to come in a public, condemn any bad manners in a government any situation that it doesn't shows a good work to the people in a country. This woman does. So let's continue and watch from the first until the end of this video. But please don't forget to subscribe and share, comment, tell us where we must fix, because we want to follow your ideas, we want to be smart and clean. Don't forget, subscribe to Club Shinta YouTube channel. Let's build better Africa together.